Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanie and I am the blogger behind simplelivingmama.com, and today is a very special day because it is our 2019 fall home tour. We are really excited to show you guys our decorations in the main part of our home. Last week I did a fall front porch decorate with me, and I showed you guys that. My cat's meowing down here by my feet. I showed you guys what our front porch looks like. So today we're going to take you inside and show you the main parts of our house. Now keep in mind that it's not going to be super fancy. We are a family of 8, but we do love to decorate with some of our favorite pieces, and that is what we are excited to show you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the front porch, and then we'll move on inside and you can see the rest of it. So right here, as you walk up to our front door, we have our Give Thanks flag, and I keep that out all the way through Thanksgiving. And then here is our front door, and the full tour of this is going to be linked in the cards up above. So we have some pumpkins and some pretty things out here. All right, so we're gonna go inside. And right in our entryway, we have this little area here. Okay guys, watch out so mommy can show the area. This is my mirror with my owl welcome sign. I love that little guy. And my husband got me this year from the Dollar General. It says Hello Fall. And then backing up, I have this blue bookcase that my husband built for me several years ago, and I just have this little tray right here with a few, yeah, we'll show them the pumpkin in a minute, with a few super cute things. So a little Happy Harvest pumpkin, this fabric pumpkin, 2 candles, this Autumn Blessings sign, and then my fox, who's from Hobby Lobby, our crow guy, and this little hedgehog. Then I have some old books. This is a little cinnamon broom. This sign says welcome to our farmhouse. Yes, I do have a large cinnamon broom over here in the corner, and it smells really nice. And on this shelf, just have some pictures and a pumpkin, and then
I'm riding on the cinnamon broom.
You're gonna ride on the broom. She just took off on the cinnamon broom. Okay. So down here we have another little pumpkin, my owl, my pillow owl who needs a new eyeball, our black cat, and then some leaves and some flowers. And this is like a pumpkin bowl that I keep flowers in. And I don't remember where we got that. We've had it for several years now. All right.
And cat.
Yes, that's our cat. We've had him a long time too. All right, and into the main part of the house. Now, we did not have this last year. We've got a piano for the kids to do piano practice, and I have my sign up here. You too? Do you like to do piano? Yeah. My husband just picked these up for me, these little pumpkin lanterns with these little tea lights that don't really work all that well. So I have one here, and then one down there. Yeah. I have this owl on top of an owl plate. We do have a couple of Halloween things out. This was a house I got on clearance from Walmart last year, and I haven't decided if I'm going to let the kids paint it or what yet. We just have a little skeleton, and then these spiders pop up all over the place and scare me half to death. The kids think it's funny, but those are out right now. And here I have a white vase that I use all year. I love this piece. It came from Target with some fall flowers that are most likely from the Dollar Tree. Okay, and then you want a new treat?
Yeah.
We're going to show our living room. All right, so this is Mommy's corner over here. I have this little setup with some pictures, and I changed out some things. I was going to change out these flowers. Hang on a second. I was going to change out those flowers, but I decided not to because I ran out of flowers and didn't want to get any more. And then over here we have our Home Sweet Home sign with some cotton and a little fall flower. And then the other little fall touch over here It's my little pumpkin man sitting up there. And then we have my table with kids stuff in here. Just some books. My sister-in-law painted this wine glass for us. And I have some fall foliage in there.
I'm painting this for you.
Oh, you painted that for me.
Yeah.
This is my morning basket, just with different things, read alouds for the kids, and different books of mine.
Mommy.
Yes, it is, huh? And then there's my chair.
I never know it.
Over here in the fireplace, this little bin came from Hobby Lobby, and I put toys in there that need to be put away. And as far as blankets go, I'm just using blankets that we've had instead of buying new ones. So I put a little blanket over it to kind of camouflage the toys. We do have some blocks there that need to be put up, but that's what I'm doing. I'm just taking some blankets that are in fall colors, browns and stuff, and using those instead of buying new blankets. So up here is our mantle, and we got this cute little truck. My husband picked that up from Dollar General. my 4-year-old likes to try to play with it, but it doesn't work. It doesn't have wheels, so he can't go anywhere. And then we have, this leaf came from Target last year. Just some fall leaves. My blessed sign is out all year long. We have a little fall fairy with a squirrel. Another leaf from the Target dollar spot. Then my lantern and my candlestick are always out here. We did put some little acorns in there.
Now, can we open this thing?
All right, and then here is one of our bookshelves in our home. Yeah, I picked up these from Wayfair, and I'm gonna have to put another thing behind it to hide the pattern that's underneath because they are see-through, but that's okay. I put out, I have a lot of blues in here, so I just have a blue blanket to try to keep stains from getting on my slip cover there. And this is a fall painting that my sister-in-law painted, and our kids' handprints, well, 3 of our kids' handprints are on that.
I'm painting that too.
You painted that.
I'm painting
all of our books.
owl for me.
My milk glass.
I painted that owl.
You painted that owl?
Yeah.
That owl is another thing my sister-in-law painted. And then that came from the Dollar Tree. That's our welcome fall little sign. Super cute. And then over here in our desk area, I have my windmill from Hobby Lobby, and then we have our shelf with some more of those cute little animals. A double toil and trouble sign. This is something I've had forever. My papa gave that to me when I was a little girl.
Owl.
And then,
My favorite pumpkin.
yeah, that pumpkin is pretty, huh?
It's glitter.
And then a little
My
broom
favorite
there as well.
pumpkin. It's orange.
So that is that area. And there's our couch and our dog. Now I'm going to show you guys, okay, now I'm going to show you guys our kitchen. So there's not a ton of stuff in here. I don't have a fancy schmancy coffee bar, but I do have a candle here and then another owl. And then that's just some coffee syrup. So that is my teeny tiny coffee bar. And then over here we have this scarecrow. We've had him forever with he is ancient, with a pumpkin candle. And then I have a couple more spots. I have my little give thanks box. Yeah, I'll show them those candles in a minute. Can you go put them back? And then the last spot that's decorated for fall is over here. This grateful pumpkin is so cute. So I have that over there. And then I have my Mrs. Meyer's dish soap and acorn spice. That smells really good. And then on our island, we just have 2 more candles. So we really like candles. These are from the dollar spot at Target, and they don't really smell that much, honestly. This is ginger pumpkin. I haven't burned it yet, but this one, the pumpkin patch one, It's not really putting off much of a scent, but oh well, they're cute little jars. And we can always reuse them, right? Okay, so that is it for our fall home tour. I hope you enjoyed it. It's simple, kind of minimalistic. Here's Berkey just hanging out. Hey, Berkey! Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed our fall home tour. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Try to keep things simple around here. I didn't show anything in our dining room because it's our homeschool room and there is no fall decorations in there. There's a lot of ancient Egypt stuff. I'll do a homeschool room tour in probably about a week. I've been meaning to get it done and just have not been able to get it done. But hopefully in about a week I can show you how I've got that set up and organized. So yeah, we will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.